Struggling to keep up with meditation? You're not alone. Today, I'm sharing how I went from dreading long sessions to finding a simple meditation routine that works for me. And guess what? It's just 5 minutes a day. Imagine this. It's 6 a.m. We're down by the river, dogs barking, people barely awake. And my body was aching after just 15 minutes. I was furious and thought, this just isn't for me. I researched why I was getting so angry during meditation. It turns out, noticing these emotions is part of mindfulness. Meditation isn't about forcing yourself to feel calm. It's about acknowledging whatever comes up, whether that's anger, frustration, or peace. That insight motivated me to keep going. Instead of sticking to long sessions, I set a smaller, more achievable goal. 5 minutes, 3 times a week. No hard rules, just something I could do consistently. And guess what? It works. The key to sticking with meditation for me was flexibility. Some days I sit, other days I lie down or use a yoga pose. There's no right or wrong way as long as I show up. And that's my biggest takeaway: consistency over perfection. So if you've been struggling with meditation, start small and stay flexible. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share your meditation tips in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness insights.